Hi, it's Russ from Studio One Expert. I've got a drum loop here and I want to give it a bit more weight. And I could use an EQ, but one of the really cool plugins that's been around for quite a long time, but often overlooked by people, is Little Labs VOG, or Voice of God, particularly used in the dialogue world because it can give you that nice kind of big movie voice sound. But some other areas you can use it in are things like drum kits and on bass guitar and stuff like that. What I want to show you actually is on this drum loop. I've got this drum loop. It's a nice drum loop anyway. It's a kind of reggae police loop. So what we can do is we've got a frequency, basically a center frequency, then an amplitude, which is the amount you add to it, and then we've got some frequencies it can center on as well. Let me just show you this in action because it's kind of like instant gratification. This isn't a very long video. It doesn't need to be because to show you what it does is just so easy. So what I'm going to do is turn it off and put it back in, and then start bringing it in. Have a listen. Now the kick drum's got some real body and some real weight in it, and we can then move around the frequency. And you can hear that kick drum actually tuning as I go. I turn it all the way up. Let's just notch the frequencies now. You get some lovely, especially get an 808 kick or something like that, you can really get those nice low things going on. And the way it works is it creates a resonant frequency basically, rather than just a standard frequency hump, and very nice. And then of course you can then go to higher ones. As I say, for what I want though, so there we are. It's as simple as that. I'm going to come back in another video and show you on a bass guitar, but for now I just wanted to show you on a loop and show you how you can pick up that kick drum and just bring it up and give it some more heft is the word. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.